Hi, I'm Coleman from jaxcenter.com, and I'm here at the W-JAX 2015 with Manfred Steyer.
Hi.
AngularJS author, blogger, speaker here at the conference, and also a consultant as well. Manfred, I'm sure you'd agree, it's been a pretty exciting year for the AngularJS community. First, things look pretty scary for the migration to AngularJS 2.0, but things seem to be improving now. How do you see the situation?
Yes, I think there are many things we can do today, and there are many things that will arise in the next weeks and months. For instance, there is a project that is called ng-upgrade. ng-upgrade will help you to use Angular 1 directives within Angular 2 applications. You can use them as Angular 2 components, but you can also use it vice versa. You can use Angular 2 components within Angular 1 applications as directives. For this purpose, this project ng-upgrade provides us with wrappers for these components and directives. In addition to that, there will also be this new component router, the router that will be implemented for Angular 1 and Angular 2. And this router will use both Angular 1 targets as well as Angular 2 targets. So you can also use this router to mix and match Angular 1 and 2 with one single application.
Okay, great. And so what are the things that developers will be looking forward to in AngularJS, do you think? What motivation is there to switch?
There are some improvements. For instance, you will have a much better performance. They planned to do something like performance by default. That was the saying when they started Angular 2. So there have been many architectural decisions that are that have been made in view of performance. In addition to that, Angular 2 is very flexible. For instance, you can render things on the server side. You can also improve performance to render within a web worker, and you can also use a renderer that brings Angular to new platforms, for instance, to native platforms. There will be a renderer for native script, so you will use Angular also for native applications in the future.
Okay, great. Now, Angular 2 isn't here yet, obviously, but what is it that developers can already be doing to prepare themselves?
There are some things we can do to prepare ourselves for Angular 2. The best thing is to write modern Angular 1. You can use Angular 1 together with the new controller S syntax that is quite similar as things will be in Angular 2. You can use things like Typescript or ECMAScript 6 today. ECMAScript 6 is a standard. It has been published for some months, and there are transpilers that transpile ECMAScript 6 codes to ECMAScript 5 code, so you can use ECMAScript 6 within all browsers by the means of transpilation. In addition to that, you can use things like Typescript that brings things like static typing, and you also can use the decorators that will arise when ECMAScript 7 comes. Decorators are one of these features that are heavily used by Angular 2, and you can also use it today with Angular 1 also by the means of transpilation.
Now, you mentioned TypeScript quite a lot there, and from what I understand, it plays quite a significant role in Angular 2. Why do you think it is that Google chose TypeScript and maybe not an alternative like Dart or something like that?
I think a big advantage of TypeScript is that TypeScript is a superset of ECMAScript 5 and ECMAScript 6. So every ECMAScript 5 and ECMAScript 6 code is already nearly a TypeScript code. And in addition to that, TypeScript brings several additional syntax features, for instance, things like static typing and so on. So you don't have to learn a whole new language. You can just leverage on things you know, and you can in addition use some other features that comes with TypeScript.
Manfred, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
And thank you all for watching.